A 28-year-old man described as a person of significant interest by Gardaí investigating the murder of Jamey Carney in County Kerry has been arrested in the Middle East. Miss Carney, a US citizen, was found dead in her home in Killarney last Tuesday. According to Gardaí, the now detained man left Ireland hours before the discovery of the body.
The Garda investigation into the murder of Jamey Carney in Killarney a week ago is still in its early stages. The mother of a 13-year-old girl, the 43-year-old, was found dead in an upstairs room at her rented home on the Muckross Road last Tuesday. She was the victim of a violent assault. Detectives have identified a person of significant interest in the case whom they wish to speak to, a 28-year-old Jordanian man. He left the country in the hours after the murder, taking a bus from Killarney in the early hours of last Tuesday morning to Dublin Airport, where he boarded a flight to Turkey. He then travelled from Istanbul to his home country, where he has now been detained by the authorities there. It's understood the Public Security Directorate in Jordan, which is responsible for law enforcement, authorised his detention. Gardaí had not sought the man's arrest or detention as part of their investigation, and it's not clear what he's being detained for, but Garda headquarters has been informed of the development.
Everybody wants to see justice done. Obviously the Irish authorities will be working hand in glove with any and all international authorities that may be required to ensure justice for Jamey and the apprehension of her killer.
The Gardaí have been in contact with international law enforcement partners, including Europol, Interpol and the US authorities, who have an interest in the murder because Miss Carney was a US citizen. She moved to Ireland 5 years ago and had been living and working in Killarney, where she was well liked and respected. The Garda National Immigration Bureau has established that the 28-year-old was in the UK before coming to Ireland in 2024 and moving to Killarney. The murder investigation, which is being led by Gardaí in Kerry and supported by the national units, including the Garda National Bureau of Criminal Investigation, is continuing. Gardaí say the arrest of the man in Jordan is a matter for the authorities there, and they have no role in that matter.
And Paul Reynolds joins me now. Paul, this is a significant development today, but how is it likely to impact the investigation here?
Well, Tommy, it won't affect the investigation in any way. That's proceeding as normal. The Gardaí are carrying out their inquiries, they're gathering evidence, they're assessing what they have, they're still speaking to people, and they are seeking to speak to this man who they say is a person of interest. But they will compile a file and send that to the Director of Public Prosecutions, who will determine if somebody is to be charged and what charges they are to face. However, this man, we know now, has been detained by the Jordanian authorities. The Gardaí say they're not clear as to why he has been detained. We do know, however, that this man came to Ireland after he applied for a tourist visa to the UK, for which he paid £10. He went to the UK and then he travelled into Ireland through the common travel area in Northern Ireland in 2024. We also know that the Jordanian authorities can be quite assiduous, and they do question their own citizens when they seek to re-enter their country when they have been away for a while. And we know that they are questioned at the border, at the ports or at the airports when they seek to re-enter Jordan. And we also know that this man has been in custody for at least 3 days. He was arrested in Jordan on Friday night and remains in custody today. Now, Garda headquarters issued a statement in the last few minutes saying they were aware that this man was in detention in Jordan. They're stressing again that this is a matter for the Jordanian authorities, but the fact is that they now know exactly where he is.
Paul Reynolds at Garda HQ, thanks indeed.